Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hey, if you're not following the channel, do make sure you're following the channel, as you may never see me again. Now, do you know what I call this move? Do you know exactly what I call this? I call this, picture this situation when haters hate you, when people hate you and they don't believe in you. This move is called, hey, I'm fine, thank you, right? That's what it's called. I'm fine, thank you, right? I do understand you get the jing, you understand the idea. So let's get back into Luna Classic, and today you are sitting at 23 right now, so you've reached the 23,000 mark. And once again, tomorrow I'm going to give you a video that is going to take you on a journey from the time that I started recording Luna Classic. So do get this video to get so many likes, because tomorrow update is going to be a big one. So if you're following this channel for the first time, you want to make sure you turn on the bell notification, because you don't want to miss tomorrow. And I'm going to go through with you some little bit of highlights and success stories that we've had with Luna Classic so far, and why I think I should be a brand ambassador of Luna Classic by this time, if anyone from Luna Classic is listening, right? So I'm going to show you some of the private, messages I had. And by the way, I have this Discord. I do have a Luna channel. You guys can message me on Twitter, which this one is my Twitter, by the way. So if you come up on Twitter, you message me on AdamCoins_, I can actually add you into the Discord. Now, you're not going to be able to join because of scammers, and I'm going to add you personally. So on Yatam Trades, this is where we were trading Luna, and we've been trading Luna. If I do go up here and show you, this is from the time we were buying, right? 11,809, and look at where the prices are sitting, right? 23,618, and it doesn't really stop there. So yesterday we've actually been very, very successful with Luna Classic. We're getting successful with Solana at the moment. So I'm actually showing you, I'm being generous and showing you this private chat, even though it's paid one. So yesterday, you can see at this time yesterday, all I said is close 70% of Luna Classic, keep stops at 13,900 for the rest of 30%. So we had our first December, and our first December victory came from Luna Classic itself. And basically right now we are holding it until 23,000 and something. Actually the main message was somewhere here. Yeah, 2 days ago, 2nd December. Today's 4th December. All right, listen. If Luna Classic hits the target, close 70% and leave 30% of your money in it with stops at entry. As there's a falling wedge technical target of 40,000, that will be 176% for the profit. Either the trade shall be won. Rose, if you understand. So thing is, we were buying all the way down here, right? So all the way near those zones. We ended up cashing it out yesterday somewhere here, and we have left 30%, which is actually still in profit right there, and we're looking to cash it out right up here near the 40,000 mark department. So no losses. It has been extraordinary. And once again, let's go back into the daily. Let's bring in the logarithmic scale, and you do have the falling wedge, right? I've talked about the falling wedge, and this is where you're going to know how much we've been successful in the past in tomorrow's success story. So you have all that falling wedge right here. I've talked about it before as well. And yes, it's somewhere up here. The technical target is actually somewhere right over here, which is going to be 35,591, if not 40,000. Okay, so 35 is there, which is actually very, very close to 40,000. But I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see Luna Classic really jumping all the way up, taking this high and try to make a new high, because it's been a long time the coin has been down. But keep one thing in mind, there is going to be a little bit of a challenge to continue to move up from this place to that place. So yeah, this is going to be one resistance at this area, because the last time you were getting rejected, I'm going to show you right now, is you had that wick right there. The stop losses here were taken out, and we may actually see a move all the way up here and actually get rejected right over there. And I always make comparison with USTC. So if I do show you USTC, very, very similar situation. A falling wedge right here, a move to the technical target of the falling wedge, and just as I showed you, you had this one touch, one touch, one touch. And yes, right now you are finding it a little bit hard to cross it, but I do believe you may actually cross it. So comparison with USTC is just very similar. One touch there, one touch here, and you may actually just come up here again at 50,000 even probably, and try to find a little bit of resistance. Now if you do break above here, I do believe the next technical target you're looking for may be up to even 14,000 at least, right? And even keep continuing to move to the upside. And that's it for this Luna Classic update. Do like this video if you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.